Alright, so let's start by creating a new file. So lagay natin dito is tables.html. Alright, so forms. So I'll close this style sheet and so on. Alright, so siguro gayahin ko na lang yung pinaka-konti siguro, yung grid siguro. You know, so Control A and Command or Control C or Command V. So drawing ko na lang yung nasa loob. Yung nasa loob ng body. Ito, yung grid. So responsive. Yan, ha? Ito, yun, end of the day. Ha? Tapos this one. So save. Tapos palitan natin to na tables. Yeah, parang wala akong footer eh. So would you like to add a footer? So, okay lang, sige. So nasan ba yung lesson kanina? Ano may lesson kanina? Forms 2. Ayan. Sige. Let's just add a footer na para maganda yung ano natin. Maganda yung ayan. Tsaka this. Para nasa baba siya. Let's just add a footer. Alright. Tsaka para masanay na rin kayo. Paano ginagawa. So medyo hinahin ko yung boses ko. I feel like gamit na uli yung energy ko. So parang napapagod ako. So mahaba pa yung ang dami ko pang gustong i-discuss sa inyo. So hinahan ko muna yung boses ko. So right after the body. Right, so in this case, let's do naman siguro purple. Tapos this one's not grid anymore, but it's a table. So save. Open it with live server. Yeah. Oops. So yung rin natin, deep purple ba yun? So palitan din natin ito na deep purple para sila. Deep purple. Close ko na to. Yeah. Yan. Alright. So kulay ube naman tayo. Alright. So do not forget to wala naman laman yun. Alright. So it's a tables tayo. So how to create a tables. So you're going to learn parang how to use element tag, which is a table. Alright. So learning the fundamentals of HTML CSS by paggamit ng Materialize. So let's just add a comment. Lagyan natin dito is tables. Good thing about the tables ni Materialize, it's kahit hindi ka maglagay ng classes, decent na agad siya. So manonotice to ni yung mga gumamit ng tables. Pag table, alright, so ganito, explain ko muna. So, table, ibig sabihin, gagawa ka ng structure na table. Ayan. So, kailangan mo ng element tag na table. So, you need to add a head tag or t-head for table head. Si table has two parang na a first child, dalawang child. So, isa si t-head and isa si t-body. Alright. So, just imagine, parang si HTML, meron kang ito si HTML, meron siyang child na pinaka-importante, which is si head and si body. Alright, so si table may ganun din. Ganun yung structure niya. So T-head, so siya yung pinaka-head or title. Yung body, siya yung value nung title mo. Alright, so may kita nyo dito. So how to create a T-head first. So kung meron T-head, dapat meron kang tinatawag na TR. So what is the TR? So table row. So madaling salita, it's a horizontal. Alright, yung grid, no? Yung parang paganan. Horizontal. Alright. So right after that, we need to have a T title heading ata to. TH, alright? So table heading ata. Yeah. It's a table heading. Ayan, yun yung mas tama. Table heading. So, ano daw yung heading? Kapag yung heading natin, si title, madalas salita. So, name, right? So, lagyan natin dito ng, let's say, email, and, let's say, location. So, pag sinave natin to, we're going to have a table na ano, meron name, email, and location. So, the structure is, you need to add a table row kasi yung row, ito yung horizontal. Then, you need to declare a table heading para dun sa title ng table mo. So, in this case, name, email, and location. So, sir, gusto kong lagyan ng value dito. Let's say, my name is, let's say, April. And this one is april@gmail.com and from Marikina. Let's say, ganun. So, ngayon, you need to add a table body. So, sa table body, you need to add another table row. Kasi para precise sila na kung saan din siya babaksak. So, let's just add a table row. Doon sa table row, meron tinatawag na table head. TH ulit. Alright? TH. And TH natin will be, this is the value. So, let's say, kailangan natin is, I think, tatlo. Name, email, and location. So, asterisk 3, return. Alright, tapos let's just put a value. So, let's say, John Doe. Yun daw yung name. Yung email is John or John at gmail.com. And yung pangatlo is, let's say, taga New York siya. New York. Alright, so once we save, magkakaroon na tayo ng name na ito yung value, email, ito. So, and kung napansin nyo, maganda na yung itsura na. Kahit wala tayong nilagay na class. Kasi diba, para pagandahin yung isang element, you need to add a class. Ito yung default nung without Materialize. So, kailangan natin i-comment yung dependency natin with Materialize. Ito, compiled and minified CSS. Para mas ma-appreciate nyo. At ganito pala itsura ng table. Pag walang Materialize. Ganito lang. Okay? So, by parang kinoment natin yung ano natin, framework natin. Ganito yung itsura niya. Okay, so tas i-design mo pa yan. So, CSS, blah blah. So, medyo matagal siya. Pero it's worth learning. Pero you're going to learn it by doing this framework. Okay, do not forget that. So, balik ko siya para bumalik yung framework natin para mas gumanda siya. So, sana na nakukuha niyo yung point ko. Alright? So, with that, let's just add another, siguro TR. Alright? So, para meron lang, wait lang, sorry. Oops, ano nangyari? New York. So, let's just add a TR para meron tayong content lang. So, let's say, this one is April. Let's say, Ebor. Ebor. Ano naman yung Ebor ko? Naalala ko. Alright. So, alright. Hindi ko natanggalin yung pagod lang ako. But, yun yung yung sense, no? So, baka taga New York na rin sila pagdating ng panahon. Alright, si April at saka si Bordeaux. Alright, so yan. So, meron tinatawag na, let's create another, table. Alright, so, going to add a comment. Lagay ko dito is stripe. So, stripe table. So, how to create a stripe table? The difference between them is just adding a class dun sa loob ng table. So, copy ko na lang. Alright. Then, paste in. Tapos, we just need to add a class of stripe. With D. Right? So, the good thing about this is stripe siya. Alright? So, medyo mas may design. So, it's up to you kung anong gusto nyong gamitin. So, ito yung tinuturo ko sa para meron kayong options. Alright? So, how about the yung bordered, right, tsaka highlighted and responsive table. So, sige. Let's do that. So, I think lagay ulit tayo ng comment dito. Lagay natin dito is bordered. Bordered. Yeah, tama spelling ko. Yes. Highlighted and responsive table. Alright. So this one will be, let's just paste in then yung siguro, yung sinample din natin kanina. So kanina, instead of nilagyan na lang natin to ng class na kanina, stripe. So iba yung lalagyan natin na class. Let's just add a class of border or bordered. Then let's just add a highlight na class, highlight. Tapos I want it to be responsive dash table. Then save. Check natin kung ano yung difference ng tatlo. Alright. So as you can see, halos, ayan. The difference, ito, yung unang table is wala siyang hindi siya stripe. Yung pangalawa naman stripe. The good thing about this is highlight. Kapag hinover nyo, nag-highlight siya. Because of this, highlight and bordered. Tapos yung responsive, sir, paano yung responsive? Right? So, yung structure niya, mag-iiba yung structure niya kapag lumit yung screen. So, pakita natin So, nakita niyo naman yung sample dito. So, click natin. Check natin yung small size. So, yung merong responsive class na table is yung natin, yung TD natin. Not TD but it's sa T-head natin is nandito na siya. Right? So, name, email, and location. Tapos, naging pag ganito siya. Right? Kasi parang hindi maganda basahin kung maliit yung yung phone mo, tapos pag ganito. Pero at least you have an option. So, if you want to do this. So, just add a class of responsive table. So, I hope that nakuha niyo yung para sa tables. Right? So, we can do mag-add pa tayo ng another lesson. So, what if sir, gusto ko maglagay ng image na wala naman sa loob ng card kasi kahapon naglagay tayo ng image. Pero nasa loob siya ng card. So, ngayon, gusto ko lang sir maglagay ng image. Sige, let's do that. So, let's add a division as a class of row. Alright? Na meron child of column. Alam niyo na kung paano gamitin to, di ba? Then, S12. So, ibig sabihin, cover niya yung buong screen. Alright? Dun sa loob nun, lagay tayo ng image. So, let's return. Alright. So, meron tayong row. Oops, mali yung ko. Wala kasing element tag na column. So, I think, kulang ako ng dot. So, class of row, division as a class of column, S12 and so on. So, you need to delete yung pinakadulo para gumamit ulit si Embed. Alright, so I think this one is tama na. So, yung source natin, naalala nyo, we have a IMG and let's say 7 yung gamitin natin. Kapag sinave natin yan, medyo malaking image. Right? Pero nasa loob siya ng isang container. Pero lumabas siya. Kasi hindi tayo naglagay dito ng responsive image. Lagay tayo ng class. So let's just add a class of responsive dash img for image. So save natin. Ito na siya. Right? So, nandoon siya sa loob ng container. Right? Tapos, kapag lumiit yan, responsive yan. Yan. Right? So, lumalaki siya based on kung gaano kalaki yung size ng screen. Pinalit mo, lilit din siya. Right? So, yan. So, ibig sabihin, decent yung image nyo. So, it's up to you. So, what if, sir, I wanted to be circle yung kasi circle yung sample mo. Gusto ko circle yung image. Yan. So, sige, let's do that. So, we can add a comment dito. Lagay natin dito is circle image. So how to do that? Just add an img. So same lang. Lagyan natin file path. So gamitan natin yung 8. And then we need to also add a class of responsive image. So ano magiging itsura niya? Di parehas na sila. Diba? So parehas na sila. So medyo mas malaki itong size na to. Kaya ganito yung itsura niya. And of course, kinover niya yung oops, ano nangyari? Copy ko. Parang mali ata ginawa ko. Ayan. Ayan. So basically, ito siya. Ayan. Meron palang mali. There's something wrong pala kanina. Kaya hindi siya buo. Okay, so, pareha sila. So, gusto mong circle, just add a class of circle. Para bilog na siya. Ayan. Alright? So, yun yung paggamit ng if you're planning to add an image. Wala sa card. So, before we end this lesson, let's do a responsive and video embedded. Alright, so let's say let's add a responsive video. So let's say video yung gusto mo. So embedded or embed. Alright, so embed. So embed, so ibig sabihin, kukunin mo siya. So let's just add a division sa class of video dash container. Right? Sa loob niya, we need to add an iframe. Alright? So kapag iframe, so let's say, let's continue again with YouTube. So, YouTube. Si devlift ulit. Punta tayo kay devlift. Devlift. Embed natin. Yung ano. So, embed natin. Ayan. So, let's say, this one. I wanted to, to embed natin itong video na to. August ko pala siya pinost. So, ilagay natin to sa website. Ang tawag dun is video embed. Right? So, ngayon, paano siya embed? Right? So, just right-click, then copy the embed code. Alright? So, ito. Yung parang may less than and greater than. So, just copy that. Then, paste in here. So, iframe siya. Okay? So, ito yung source niya, which is yung YouTube. Alright? So, allow, blah, blah, and so on. So, let's just save. Check natin kung napunta dito sa website natin. Ayan. Right? So, technically ito. So, na-embed natin siya. Magpa-play siya. Alright? So, yan. So, kung sakali na, if you're planning to embed, or embed the video from YouTube, yeah, you can do that. Yung ginawa ko. Alright? So, dapat video container. So, what if naman kung meron kayong, existing na video dito? Katulad ng ginawa natin. So, I don't have any video eh. So, for example lang. So, paano lang gawin? Okay, so dapat lang maglagay lang din kayo kung paano ko naglagay ng image. So, let's say video. Let's say lagay tayo dito. Videos. Right, videos. Tapos dapat meron kayong laman dito sa loob. Alright? So kunwari lang meron tayong laman. So paano gawin siya? So let's just add a responsive video element. Alright? So paano gawin siya? So let's just add a video element tag. So kanina division siya, di ba? Ngayon actual na video element tag. So let's just add a responsive dash video. Right? And meron siyang child of source na element tag. Meron yun, source. Oops. spelling. Source. Right. Right. Yung source natin doon sa video is wala. Doon natin ilalagay siya sa source. Responsive. Lagyan natin siya ng controls na element tag. Attribute. Controls. Right. So, para nako-control niyo yung dito na natin lagay yung source. SRC stands for source. Okay. So, let's say, kunwari, videos. Ayan. So, let's say, videos na, so, let's say, meron kong folder dito. So, let's say, some video .mp4. So, for example lang, naglagay ka dito ng, sa loob, di ba? Ng some video .mp4. Right. So, ganun yung gagawin. In case na nag-download kayo, tapos nalagay nyo dito. So, let's just save. Check natin. Yung magiging itsura. So, ganito yan. Alright? So, meron siyang controls, pero hindi siya magpe-play kasi walang laman yung video na. Unless just download, it's up to you. Hindi na ako, I wasn't able to download the video. Alright? So, yan. Dito nyo na lang ilagay. So, I hope that this one will be, for now, ito muna tayo, tables and, media na lesson. Alright? So, I will, muna siguro, stop recording.